My name is Dr. Prince Sharma. Welcome again this online lecture, Introduction to Tourism Management. Today's topic is elements of tourism. The elements of tourism are the fundamental components required to support the movement of tourists and provide a meaningful and enjoyable experience. They are interconnected and essential for the tourism system to function effectively. Tourist, the central element of tourism. Individuals or groups who travel temporarily to destinations outside their usual environment for leisure, business, pilgrimage, and other purpose. Without tourists, tourism cannot exist. Attractions, primary motivators for travel. These can be natural, cultural, and man-made. Naturals are mountains, rivers, beaches, for example, Himalayas and Kerala's backwaters. Cultural, monuments, festivals, museums, for example, Taj Mahal and Kumbh Mela. Man-made, theme parks, modern cities, for example, Disneyland. Accessibility refers to the ease of reaching a destination, includes transportation, infrastructure like airports, roads, railways, and ports. Supporting services such as visa policies, travel agent, and information centers. A destination with poor accessibility often fails to attract tourists. Accessibility refers to the ease of reaching a destination, includes transportation, airports, roads, railways, and ports. Supporting services such as visa policies, travel agents, and information centers. A destination with poor accessibility often fails to attract tourists. Accommodation provides overnight lodging and related services. Varies from budget to luxury, hotels, resorts, hostels, homestays, guest houses, a key part of the tourist experience and satisfaction. Amenities support services that enhance the tourist comfort and experience. For example, restaurants and cafes, shopping centers, sanitation and hygiene facilities, communication and internet services, medical and emergency services. Activities things tourists to do at the destination can include sightseeing, adventure sports, cultural performance, wildlife safaris, boating and trekking. Additional services that support tourism operations, for example, travel insurance, currency exchange, guide and enterprises, local transport. Ancillary services are supportive and complementary services that assist the core tourism industry. They ensure that a tourist journey is smooth, safe, convenient, and enjoyable. Tourism system. Tourism system refers to the structured and interconnected process through which tourism operates. It includes different components working together to provide a complete tourist experience. From the moment a tourist decides to travel, reach the destination, engages in activities, and returns home. A tourism system is a dynamic and integrated structure comprising the tourist, the destination, the travel routes, and support services all interacting with the economic and socio-cultural environment. Key tourism system models. Leopard tourism system model, one of the most widely accepted models. Tourist, the traveler who engages in tourism, center of the system, generating region, the place where tourist resides and start the journey. Activities, planning, booking and departing. Transit route region, the path taken between the origin and destination, include transport hubs like airports, railway stations, highways and stopovers. Flight layover at Dubai while traveling from Delhi to London. Destination region, the main area where the tourists spend time, engages in activities, the experience and attractions. Tourism industry includes all businesses and services that supports the tourist, airline, travel agents, hotels, tour guides and restaurants. The tourism industry is a vast and interconnected network that includes all businesses, services involved in facilitating travel for leisure, business, and other purpose. Each component plays a unique role in delivering a complete tourism experience. Main components of the tourism industry: attractions, purpose, the main motivation for travel, they draw tourists for a destination. Types: natural, cultural, and man-made. Transportation. Transportation is essential to move tourists for their origin to the destination. It includes air, rail, road, and water modes. It connects all parts of the tourism system. Good transport improves accessibility and tourist satisfaction. It must be affordable, safe, reliable. Modern tourism depends heavily on transport networks. Accommodation. It provides lodging facilities to tourists during their stay. It includes hotels, resort, hostels, homestays. It directly impacts the tourist comfort and experience. Choice vary by budget, purpose, and travel style. Luxury and heritage stays are becoming popular. Clean and safe lodging is essential for tourism. F&B, food and beverages. Food and drink services fulfill tourist basic cultural needs. They range from local street food to international cuisine. Culinary tourism is growing as a niche market. Food experience help tourists to connect with the local culture. Clean, hygienic food boost tourist satisfaction. Restaurants, cafes, bars also offer social experience. Travel agencies, they are mandate intermediaries in the tourism industry. They help plan, book, coordinate travel related services. They provide packages for flights, hotels, transport, and more. Traditionally, agencies new complete with the online platform. They reduce the stress of travel planning for tourists. Customer service and local knowledge are their strength. For example, Thomas Cook, Make My Trip, and SOTC. Tour operators design and sell complete tour packages. They combine accommodation, transport, attraction in one platform. They operate both nationally and internationally. They handle bookings and group tours. They save times and money for travelers. Customized and theme-based tours are rising in demand. For examples, Yatra and KC tours. Tourist information centers. These are official centers that assist the guide tourists. They offer brochures, maps, travel advice, often run by tourism department or local governments. They are usually located at airport, stations, or city centers. They promote local culture, events, and sites. They improve the quality of tourist experience. For example, India Help Desk, state tourism offices. Entertainment and recreation. This includes activity tourists enjoy during their leisure time. Examples include amusement parks, nightlife, shopping, cultural themes. These activities enhance enjoyment and engagement. They attract families, youth, international tourists. Recreation keeps tourists longer at destinations. They offer relaxation, fun, and cultural immersion. For example, Rajasthani dance shows, malls, and gaming zone. Tourism practices refers to the organized methods, strategies, actions undertaken by different stakeholders, businesses, communities to ensure a smooth and sustainable, satisfying tourism experience. Destination management. It involves planning, development, regulation of a tourist destination. Focus on balancing tourist satisfaction, economic growth, and resource protection. Includes branding, infrastructure development, policy creation, involves local communities, private players, and government. Tour packaging, combining various travel elements, flights, hotels, sightseeing into single product, makes travel convenient, affordable, and well planned for tourists. Sold by tour operators and travel agencies, can be customized. FIT, free independent travel, or group based include fixed itineraries and flexible plans. Enhance customer convenience and satisfaction. For examples, Europe tour package by Cox and Kings, Char Dham Yatra packages. Marketing and promotion. It involves promoting destinations, products, experiences to the potential tourist. Use media like print, digital platform, and influencers. Key to increasing tourist arrivals and destination awareness. Focuses on branding. Strategies include discount, social media campaigns. Requires understanding of target market and trends. For example, Gujarat tourism ads, Rajasthan's Padharo Mare Desh. Customer service excellence, providing quality, courteous, and helpful service for tourists includes hospitality, information, complaint handling, and personalized support. Good service increase tourist loyalty and satisfaction. Training and professionalism are essential in tourism jobs. Applies to hotels, travel agents, guides, and transport staff. Bad service can damage destinations' reputations. Digital and smart tourism practices. Use of technology and innovation to improve tourism experience include online booking, virtual tours, mobile apps, AI-driven assistance, smart destinations use data for crowd control and personalized services. Digital payments and e-visas enhance ease of travel. Tourism websites, QR coded guides, AR/VR are popular tools. Improve efficiency, reach, and travel engagement. So, with these things, I am ending my lecture today. Thank you.